here in West Sacramento, California. We were called out to look at some differential settlement on a commercial building. Upon coming out and doing a floor survey, we realized that there was about 5 inches of settlement. So the owner wanted to make sure the structural integrity of the building was still sound and make sure that there was going to be no further damage to the building. There was some slab cracking. They had problems with doors that were not opening and closing properly. There were some problems with the forklifts on the interior of the building. The main issue was differential settlement. We put together a repair plan, got with our engineering team, and determined that we needed to install approximately 150 piers and 2 helical piers on the back of this building to permanently stabilize the structure. Push piers are a hydraulically driven system. They are 3.5-inch steel piers that are hydraulically driven into the soil, strong enough to lift the building. The system can be installed rain or shine and is a great system for this application. We decided to do all of our work from the exterior of the building to keep the operations on the inside of the building up and running. We've got our concrete crews out here to remove concrete. We've dealt with shoring options on this, a lot of excavation. There's a lot of different facets to this project that Groundworks takes on, and we don't worry about subcontractors. We do everything in-house and take care of it from start to finish. This project and all Groundworks projects in general, safety is a big deal. We obviously cover all of our holes. We make sure everybody's got proper PPE. We make sure all of our caution tape's up. On the deep ends of the job where we've had to install shoring to make sure our crews are safe while they're down in the hole, there's some deep excavation on this project, so there was some shoring that needed to be in place so our crews could be down and be safe. That's every Groundworks commercial job. We really take pride in our safety and making sure our crews and the public is all safe while we're working. By permanently stabilizing a building and making it so there is no more settlement in the building, obviously safer for the tenants, the forklift drivers, everybody on the interior. It saves the integrity of the roof, the structure of the building, the operations of the doors. If you've got a compromised foundation, that compromises the value of the building. So by permanently stabilizing the foundation, you're ultimately holding the value of the building up where it needs to be.